What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to remove a shifter assembly off of a 2014 Ford F150. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start the repair by removing the panel underneath the AC controls in the front of the center console. Using your trim panel tool, slowly and carefully remove the center console shifter bezel. Do this by prying on each 4 corners while pulling up. Using your 8mm socket, remove 4 8mm fasteners located at each corner of the shifter assembly. In this video, I used a 6-inch 3/8 extension with a deep 8mm socket. However, little tip for you guys, it does get a little tight, so I'd recommend using a 1/4-inch drive extension, socket, and ratchet. Once all the bolts are removed, pull up on the shifter assembly so we can remove the shifter cable and the connector. Next, we'll remove the shifter cable eyelet from the assembly. Using a pry tool, pry the eyelet off the ball. I personally like to use a trim panel tool because it fits perfectly under the ball and supports both sides of the eyelet when prying. Once that's done, make your way to the front of the shifter and release the shifter cable from the assembly. To do this, pry the tab forward with a flathead screwdriver while prying up. Once off, push to the side so it's out of your way. Lastly, locate and unplug the shifter assembly connector at the front. Then pull up and out. Congratulations guys, you now know how to remove a shifter assembly on a 2014 F150. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!